Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be showing you the Ioni products I found from their Halloween line at my local Dollar Tree. With that being said, let's get started. I found some very cool and interesting Ioni products. I think it's from a Halloween line at my local Dollar Tree. Disclaimer, my Dollar Tree might vary from your Dollar Tree. Your Dollar Tree might get the products later, or they might already have them. And also, this video is not sponsored at all. I was able to find 5 Ioni products and I'm going to show them to you now. First off, we have the Sparkle Liner. And this is the Book of Wealth, and it says clear base, buildable, fast drying, no fallout, in the shade Amethyst. This is the back, and then this is the front. Next up, we have the Lip Plumper Gloss, Book of Earth Magic, Plump It Up, High Shine, Moisture, Paraben Free. Sangria is the shade, and it states, Hot Alert, feel the spicy heat, get the plumped lips. Next up, we have another Sparkle Liner, Book of Love, Paraiba, and then it says clear base, buildable, fast drying, no fallout. We also have another Sparkle Liner, Book of Familiars, in the shade Sapphire. And last but definitely not least, we have the Lip Plumper Gloss, Book of Dreams, Sparkle Pink, and again, it says Hot Alert at the bottom, and this is the back. And then of course in the back you find all their social media, the ingredients, a little bit of what the product is supposed to do, and then cruelty free. Now let's go ahead and open them. This is cute. It has the animals there and then more in the front. Now that I'm opening the products, I am paying attention to the packaging, and they're very unique. Like this one has this, and it kind of looks like a book. This one kind of looks like a book as well, but it also has the animals for the familiars. This one another book, you see, and then it has like cupids, and then another book, and then another design there, and then it has like the whole mushrooms and everything. Here, and then look at that, then look at that, like a cauldron or something. Very cool. Now I'm going to go ahead and try them on. I do not like the tingling, and I already can feel the spicy tingling. It's burning as if it were to be like eating something spicy. So far I can't tell a difference with my lip sizes, but I do feel like the top burning more than the bottom one. It's not really working for me with like the whole making it more plump. Final review. I really like the glitters. The glitters are very pretty. You can do whatever you want with them. I just try to make something quick, simple, and easy to show you guys, but the colors are very pretty. The green is like this very nice green, the purple, the blue. I mean, they are beautiful. I really like them. The lip gloss is okay to me. I don't like the burning sensation slash the spicy sensation. Also, I do have to say that the shades are pretty, but lip plumping is not for me. I don't like it. If you like it, then this product is for you, and it's for $1.25 at your local Dollar Tree if you guys find it. Again, not sponsored. Glitter slide right on. They do have a clear base, but they still show up. As you guys could see, I was like building it up. If you just do one swipe, it's not really going to show up unless you want a subtle glitter glow. And I say glow because it's just one line and you see some glitter here and there. But like I kept building it up and I got that color like that. So I really like that it's buildable. Eyeliners, 5 out of 5. Lip gloss, a 2 out of 5 for me. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.